Good morning, good morning, good morning. Another amazing day. Guys, everything doesn't go up every day forever. Have to chill, have to take some profit. This is what you got to do. And maybe it goes down a day, maybe it goes down 2 days, maybe it goes down 10 days. Got to take profits. We've had a stunning run. Now today, everything is lower. And the techs are way lower. Okay? I mean, look at it. Avago is down 14. The Avagos went to $13, half the size from 4. I mean, what a run. Now, does it go back up later today? Does it go lower? Here's the thing. The Fed, these guys are a bunch of idiots. I mean, they're complete idiots. They screwed up the whole thing going up. Now they're going to screw up the whole thing going down. It doesn't matter that they're not going to raise rates 4 times. They're going to sit there and they're going to talk it down. Okay? That's what they're going to do. And the market is just going to say, I'm going to take profits and then I'll come back later. Okay? So you just got to keep an eye on that. Now, how far do these things drop and then do they pop back up? We're down 18, which is not a lot, but the premiums are lower today. Okay, look at Netflix. Netflix is taking off again. We have 3 layers of Netflix. If you sold them all, or even if you held some, you did really great, and it continues to go. Okay? But here's the thing. The reality is they're not going to keep raising rates. Inflation is coming down like crazy. Elon tells you there's deflation coming up. And the market believes they're going to screw this up because they're just morons. That's it. There's nothing else to say about it, okay? It's just amazing to me. But what's even more amazing is all the people on CNBC and all the people that ask questions, they have no common sense. The common sense in the United States has gone to shit. I mean, all you have to ask him is, you skipped a meeting, but now you're saying you're going to have more rate hikes. So you're really going to have more rate hikes. Why wouldn't you just ask him that? Why wouldn't you just ask him that? You ask him the simple questions. Nobody asks anybody the simple question. Okay? NVIDIA, what a pop yesterday. And here, you watch today. If NVIDIA goes positive going into that meeting for next week, right? If NVIDIA goes positive, everything goes way up, right back up. But you got to wait. You got to wait. Everything is down. Don't force trade. You get things way cheaper. We're going to look at Avago for next week because they got news coming on Sunday, right? We have worth it. Do they take it up into tomorrow? Maybe. That's what you got to watch for. Just watch, and trade. Don't force trade. Don't force trade. Take profits. Build your account. Take shots. If you do that, you do well. If you don't do that, you don't do so well. Okay? So just keep an eye out, and then we see. Okay? So interesting. Okay. How about snow yesterday? Snow was starting to move finally. Now here's the thing with snow, and see, this is a lot of strange stuff. You got to see. MDB stunning earnings goes to 400 almost, and now for the last 5 days it can't go up. That means somebody is selling. Somebody is selling. You can see that. When it's done, it goes up. Now maybe they're not done for a day or 2. You remember now couldn't go up for 3 weeks. It couldn't go up. And then it moved 50. Okay? So you got to wait. You got to wait. Okay? So Tesla, huge win streak. And now it's down. Does it go back up? Maybe. If it stays down today and you're 2 days down, interesting. But remember, NVIDIA went to Taiwan Semi. They went to Taiwan Semi and they took all their capacity. And nobody's seen that except Sam. Sam's seen that, and Sam said, why are they taking all their capacity? Has to be their earnings are going to be better, and they were. So now you got Elon telling you yesterday, deflation is coming. So what does deflation mean? That means the price of all the stuff that they're buying to build cars will come lower. Now, if that comes lower, if the tires come $100 lower, he makes extra $100. If a part comes an extra $50 lower, he makes an extra $50. His margins go higher unless he cuts cost, unless he cuts the price of the car. How far does inflation drop for him? Don't know. But it implies that, and maybe this doesn't show up in the earnings next time, but it does the time after that. So keep an eye out. Something we'll look for. Okay? Interesting. And that's what we know. I mean, the Fed are just idiots. I mean, they're just idiots. Well, why would you even say 4 rate hikes? If you're going to rate hike 4 times, that's 1%. Why not just do it now? Be done with it. We're going to do it now. We're done. Done. Oh, because they're not going to. And something else to keep an eye on. If they raise rates at all, the unrealized losses from the banks go lower. They go higher. The losses go higher on their books. And that means banks can fail. Okay? Now, Jeffrey Gundlach, who's a really, really smart guy, one of the few guys I think very smart, Tepper and Gundlach, the 2 real good, smart guys that come on TV. He came on right after I said it in the room, and we bought SPX calls and we made money and we got out, right? And we told you. He told you the same thing. He goes, they're not going to raise rates. He goes, they're not going to raise rates at all. Same thing that I told you. But today is a down day. Now, if the techs reverse, then it goes back up. If the techs don't reverse, then it's probably a down day. Now, does it get better tomorrow? Don't know. Remember, Monday's an off day. Juneteenth, 19th, which is Monday? I believe it's Monday. Yes, it's an off day. So the market's closed. So chill. We've had a tremendous run, so kind of chill today and see what happens. See what happens. Okay? Now, most of our stuff, we've already rolled the next week on most of the stuff. Look, SMCI is next week. ISRG is way out there. FedEx is way out there. Avago we have next week. A lot of stuff is already rolled out. Okay? So think about that. Very straightforward. Okay, let's go to comments, questions. What do we got? Come on, Sam. If we were thinking it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. ISRG, we like long for earnings. Good day to add. So here's the thing. Just wait. Just wait till you get the right opportunity. Don't have to do it today. Don't have to do it tomorrow. ISRG. Look, UNH told you everybody's doing procedures. Well, ISRG does the prostate thing. I had it done. Okay? And it does hysterectomy. They're doing those left and right. That means ISRG makes way more money, if you believe that. So just chill and wait. Now, I would like to get out FTX at $7 or $8, and we roll up into next week. Then we see. Tesla dead. Who knows? Don't know. Stocks go up, stocks go down. Okay? If you expect zero, you never waver. You never get upset. Don't get upset. You will fail if you buy too many. Don't buy too many. If all you want to lose is $100 in life, don't put in $200. I'm telling you, it works. That's what we know. Okay, good morning, everybody. 6:15. Stocks go up, stocks go down. SPX down 15. No compelling reason to be down except they want to sell some stuff. Now, how much stuff? Who knows? Let's see. Okay? SPX down 15. That puts it at what? 32.55. No, 32.65. 32.60. I'm struggling today. 32.60, somewhere in there. Okay? 58. Sorry. 33. 33.52 is a number. 33.52, 33.31. Upside, 4,000, round number, 4,009. Then we see 4,400 is very, very difficult. Don't get screwed up. Avago. Now, they got news on Sunday. If they believe that this deal is done, VMware, and it's approved, do they gap it today or tomorrow? Back up. Let's see. Okay? Interesting. You got 892. You got 900's decent, but 922 becomes the beast. If it breaks out, watch out. 832 down. NVIDIA. 432. 451. Lam Research. This broke up late yesterday. See if it gets back up positive. 632, 651. Carvana, 24. This is on the screen because he's starting to bring them down. And if they spike it, they can spike it to 30 fast. ISRG, 332. UPST, trying to move. Can't seem to hold 38. That becomes a number, so keep an eye on that. Adobe, earnings today. How far does it go? Not really down. 551, possible. Snowman, 183, 189. MDB. This one is really, really strange. Okay, very strange. 372, 379. Netflix, 444, 451. Baidu, a little bit better, trying to get to 151. Deere, 401, 409. Caterpillar, 249, 253. SMCI, 251, 252. Hard range. Then 273, way up there. NOW. This one's not that bad. Moved nicely. 572. Shopalicious. Any close over 67. Microsoft. 338. FedEx. 232. Tesla. See if this pops right back to 252. And then we see. Okay? That's what we know. Don't force trades. Go slow. A stunning run. Remember, every run stops. Every run stops at some point. So chill, relax, breathe. Everybody have a great trade day. See you, Jack.